AccuMark and YuniquePLM can easily share data, like pattern or marker information, measurement charts, and images. AccuMark data is connected to the PLM Tech Pack on the Style Model page. Simply select the model to add, and the information is brought in from AccuMark. Once the data is linked, the pattern can be opened from YuniquePLM into Pattern Design or Model Editor to make changes. A new feature has been added to AccuMark 10.1 to launch YuniquePLM from Pattern Design or AccuMark Explorer. Select the style to see the pattern information in PLM. AccuMark 10.1 and YuniquePLM can share an image library. When images are placed on pieces in AccuMark, the user has the option to select images from their PLM database. Fields like Image Category can be used to filter the list of images. Once the correct image is located, it is selected and applied to the piece. In addition to fabrics, trim and edge finish images can also be selected from the PLM image library. Here, a button image is applied to the piece. Point of measurement data is easily created in AccuMark 10.1. Graded measurements are added to the table as measurements are taken. When the model is stored, measurements are added to the database, where they can be accessed by PLM. On the Style page, a measurement page can be added using a stored template with size and point of measure information. On the measurement page, the AccuMark information is imported by selecting the storage area and model. The grading information or actual values can be shown on this page. In addition to images and point of measurement information, AccuMark can also create a bill of materials to share with PLM. The bill of materials is generated from the model editor. Piece and fabric information is brought in from the model itself. On the Accessories tab, additional materials like buttons and trims can be added. In PLM, this information is brought in to create the final bill of materials. Virtual samples from AccuMark 3D can easily be added to the PLM Tech Pack. After the garment is simulated, it can be exported to PLM. In PLM, the virtual sample is added to the sample request. The exported file is attached and can be opened for viewing. A picture can be generated from this view to use in the markup tool. In the markup tool, text and callouts can be added to show corrections needed on the sample. This image becomes part of the Tech Pack to communicate fit comments back to the pattern maker.